Let's be real, my old sofa had seen better days. Stains galore, the cushions were flatter than pancakes, and the whole thing just screamed college dorm reject. I desperately needed a refresh but didn't want to shell out for a whole new couch. Enter the magic sofa cover. I saw the ads with their too good to be true transformations and thought, why not? The pros. Price. These things are crazy affordable compared to reupholstering or a new sofa. That was the biggest reason I even considered it. Quick fix. Honestly, it was shockingly easy to put on. I hate complicated DIY stuff, but this was just stretching and tucking. My sofa looked instantly presentable. Variety. The colors and patterns. If you're tired of your old look, there's a magic sofa cover to give you a whole new vibe. The cons. Not tailor-made. Even with all the tucking, they don't fit perfectly. My sofa's arms are a bit lumpy under the cover. But hey, from a distance, who can tell? Fabric feel. Mine's the soft, velvety type. It's comfy, but not exactly the same as my original sofa material. I miss the texture a little. The retuck. If you're a fidgeter like me, you'll be adjusting this thing pretty often. It does slide around a bit, especially if you have rambunctious kids or pets. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.